Hi guys, welcome to this short video about how to share Amazon links. So if you are a seller on Amazon or an agent to promote a product, so how can you share the product links? So there have been a lot of talking about the things which links are safe and which links are not safe. So as a general rule of thumb, I would highly recommend not to use any links at all on Amazon, and not even profile links or anything. So, and this is something really special. A lot of people are using links with the QID and they think, yeah, it's safe. It doesn't really look suspicious at the first thing. Yeah, there is no user ID or like account number or something like that involved, and it looks like safe. And still a lot of people are using that. And I found an article online. I mean, it's a couple of years ago when it was written, but I think it's still the same since the QID is still used. And he clearly says the problem with the QID, I mean, this is a link like here. You see the QID, it's just embedded in the whole link here. And the problem with this is that the QID is the number of seconds since January 1st, 1970. And yeah, so every search on Amazon is logged into a database. And yeah, if you have like the product and you have the search, I mean, yeah, you have basically the search ID, and there you have the product and the user ID, I mean the account. So you have a nice link and know who did this search. And so if you promote this link, then they can combine these accounts, and that looks very suspicious to Amazon. And they have the intelligence system in the back to detect some like things which they do not like, corporations and so on. And yeah, this is just not good. So yeah, here I can show you a sample. That's the link somebody sent me, and when you click on that, it will resolve into this thing. I mean, this is still good. I mean, Amazon.com, DP, and the ASIN number, and there it is coming here. Yeah, here we have the QID, and that's not good and that's not safe. I mean, depending on you what want to do. I'm not going into details, but you have to be careful. Everything which contains QID is definitely not safe. So something like that would be much more safe if you delete everything and then have just the Amazon.com DP and the ASIN number, and same thing, and Amazon won't be able to track anything. So that's much better here. I don't know why people do not realize that, but yeah, it is as it is. Just be very careful with that. And of course also all the affiliated links can be considered to be safe. I mean, that's usually when you go on a website like a blog and they are saying, yeah, they are making a review about the product, saying what's good, what's bad, and at the end, if you're convinced to buy, usually they provide an affiliate link where they get some commission, maybe 1 or 2% or so, which is no disadvantage for you, and gives a little bit of earnings to the person who did the review. But again, back to the original statement, I would definitely recommend not to share any links, not even these things, depending on what you are doing. You have to be really careful. Most people these days say don't share anything on Amazon, not even your profile link, not product links, not anything. So yeah, that's just what most people are thinking these days, and I'm also supporting this theory. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments or other opinions on that, please write everything down into the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.